Installing an outlet upside down with the ground pin on top can cause real headaches and even safety issues, so fixing it quickly is key. Okay, so first off, unplug the power at the breaker before you touch anything. You don't want to get zapped. Next, take off the outlet cover and carefully unscrew the outlet from the box. You'll notice the ground pin is at the top instead of the bottom like usual. Flip the outlet around so the ground pin is on the bottom, then screw it back in securely. Make sure the wires are still properly connected to their right terminals. Hot wire to brass screws, neutral to silver, and ground to green. After everything is tightened, put the cover back on and flip the breaker back on. Test the outlet with a simple tester or plug something in to confirm it's working right and safely. If you're not comfortable doing this yourself, no shame in calling a pro electrician to avoid any risks. One of the biggest mistakes people make when dealing with outlets installed upside down is ignoring safety precautions like turning off the power first, which can lead to serious shocks. Fix that by always switching off the breaker before starting any electrical work. Another common issue is not checking if the wires are properly secured after flipping the outlet, which can cause loose connections and electrical problems. Double check those screws are tight but not over-tightened. Lastly, some folks skip testing the outlet once reinstalled, missing any wiring mistakes. Always use a tester or plug something in to make sure everything works perfectly. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners by connecting them with trusted local contractors who know how to get outlets installed right the first time. For contractors, it's a great way to find new clients and grow their business in their local area.